Hey guys, welcome back to our Advent series. Today we have this little 12-day calendar from Revolution Pro. I am really excited for this one. It looks super cute. This is the Ultimate Miracle Collection, and I think this is meant to be like, I could be wrong, but I feel like it's meant to be a dupe of like the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Could be completely wrong, not too sure. But anyway, I think this little calendar is so cute. Love it. So, first things first, we have door number 1 down here. Ooh, I actually love the packaging of this. This is really cute. So the first thing we have is the Miracle Lip Oil Supercharged Skincare. Very cute. Like, I feel like this packaging looks super luxe. I actually really like Revolution Pro as a brand. I think their stuff is really, really nice. So I had some lipsticks from them. I'm pretty sure I still have them. I just haven't used them in a while. But yeah, I had some lipsticks from them that I absolutely loved. I cannot get this open. Cute! Okay, it looks really, really sweet. So it's just a squeezy tube. Looks like that. I wonder if it has a scent. Oh, it's a roller bowl. I was not expecting that. I can't really smell anything, so... cute. So it says it has hyaluronic acid, peptides, and shea butter. Love that. That's really, really sweet. So that was door number 1. Door number 2 is this one here. Oh, cute. It's a little bag. Okay. I thought it was going to be a headband, and I was like, eh. But it's actually a cute little bag. I actually really like that. It's like this like fabric material. And yeah, I'm guessing it's like a little skincare bag. Cute. Like that. That's really sweet. Door number 3 is down here. Okay. I spoke too soon because I'm pretty sure this is a headband. What do you know? I've got a little headband. I knew it was coming. It's actually interesting that it doesn't have anything on it. I actually kind of don't mind this. I feel like it's quite cute. But I'm not a headband girly. These are like, I'm pretty sure you're meant to wear these like while you do your skincare, but I just don't have the time or energy for that. It does have a little Revolution Pro little tag there, but apart from that, it's just this plain white, and it does match the bag. So day 4. What is this? A Miracle Balm. Oh, it's a moisturizer. Okay, I was like, what the heck? What is a Miracle Balm? Cute. So we have a little moisturizer. And it just comes in this little gold container. And when you open it, looks like, oh, cute. It actually smells quite nice. I don't know if I'm confused, but that smells like rose to me. And it's like this orange colour. Very interesting. Cute. So we have a little moisturizer for day 4. Okay, day 5. I was about to go to day 6. Day 5, we have the Miracle Eye Cream. So that's exciting. This is transform your tired under eyes in just 4 weeks. This beautifying eye cream helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles, keep under eyes feeling bright and radiant, skin feels firmer, hydrated and youthful, supercharge your base for flawless makeup application. Cute! So we have this tiny little jar, and I feel like this is actually really sweet. Like, don't you think that just looks so cute? See, I've got this tiny little jar of eye cream. Oh, smells nice. It's very, very subtle. And once again, it is orange. I just love this. I feel like looks really nice. I love the packaging of the little Miracle range. I think it's really sweet. Okay, day number 6. Okay, we have a pair of tweezers, and I would be mad, but these actually look real, real nice. These are they've got a little bit of weight to them, and they look super, like, they've got like a fine tip on them, so I really don't mind that. I do quite like tweezers. I do already have a couple of pairs, but I do use tweezers a fair bit, so. Okay, day 7. Okay. These are little handcuff things or wrist cuffs, and you put them there, and they are to stop water running down your wrists or your arms when you are like washing your face. I actually quite like the idea of this because that does really annoy me, but once again, I just don't know if I Like, before I do my skincare, if I have to put a headband on and put wrist cuffs on, I just don't know if I'm going to have the energy to do my skincare after that. So, but I mean, I am lazy, so maybe someone that's not lazy would enjoy that. Alright, day 8. Okay, we have an eye mask. Okay, this is starting to get a little bit annoying because I feel like half of our calendar has been this kind of stuff. But anyway, that's fine. We have an eye mask, which I probably won't get much use out of. Alright, day 9. No offense, but what the actual is that? It looks... Okay, I'm guessing it's some kind of applicator, but it kind of looks like a vibrator keychain. I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, that's day number 9. Great. Day number 10. We have these little things, these little circle things. I don't know if they're meant to be like makeup removers or whatever. That was day 10. Day 11, we have another Miracle Lip Oil. This one has gold in it at the top, which is cool. And then, last but hopefully not least, day 12, we have the actual Miracle Cream, which I actually don't know what it is. I think it's... I don't know what it's meant to do. But anyway, we have a little Miracle Cream. So that is day number 12. Let's have a look at it. It's a moisturiser, again, apparently. So yeah, looks like that. This one has actually leaked a little bit. It smells quite subtle, smells alright though. I do, once again, love the little jar. I feel like it looks really nice and really luxe. Okay, let's get onto some thoughts. So I paid like I can't remember how much. I think I paid like $150 for this. I'm not gonna lie. I paid $115 for it. Let's just go through and see what it actually says. So I reckon it's worth $182 apparently. So we have exclusive eye roller, which I'm guessing was that weird looking thing. Exclusive tweezers. Like I get that it's exclusive, but like exclusive eye roller and exclusive tweezers isn't really that exciting, believe it or not. Like, we have the Miracle Cream, the Miracle Eye Cream, the exclusive Miracle Lip Balm tin. What? Oh, okay, so this is for your lips, right? Because it said Miracle Balm and then it said moisturiser on the back. So I was just gonna use it on my face, but apparently that's a lip balm tin. Then we have the Miracle Lip Oil. Then we have everything else is apparently exclusive. The exclusive Miracle Shimmer Lip Oil, which it calls it a shimmer lip oil, but like all the little shimmer is stuck down the top here. So in this calendar we got an eye cream, we got a face cream, then we got we got a lip balm and then 2 lip oils. So out of the 12 days, we only actually had 5 of those days were actual like product. And then everything else was a beauty or skincare accessory. So yeah, okay. For $115, yeah, like it's makeup. At the end of the day, it's Revolution. So like I understand that they obviously are that more like drugstore kind of brand. I did actually really like the packaging of like the Miracle Cream and the eye cream, but I really thought there was going to be like, I feel like even if they had chucked in one more skincare thing or one more like actual product, I probably could have got around the calendar more, because then at least it would be half and half. But the fact that it was like more than half of the stuff was just like cleansing wipes or a headband, it's just like a bit meh. If I bought this for myself and actually like opened it up as an advent calendar, I think I would be a little bit disappointed, to be honest. But I mean, this might be your thing, this might be your jam. Someone a little bit younger, maybe someone that's getting into skincare might really enjoy this, because they probably wouldn't have the tweezers already, or the headbands, or the wrist cuffs, or any of that kind of stuff. But yeah, for me, most of this stuff I'm gonna pass on. So yeah, I mean, all in all, it's not the worst calendar. I actually really did like the presentation, and yeah, I am excited about those creams, but that's kind of where my excitement stops. But yeah, I'm really interested to see what you guys think of this one, so leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!